Robert back here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. Back here on the gun refinishing. Now we're going to disassemble the AK-47. First of all, remove the magazine. Remove the lock. It's unloaded. Remove the dust cover. Remove the spring. Remove the bolt. Not the bolt, but the piston. Whatever you call it. I'm not an expert here. So remove the sling. And get a stiff spring on it. Sling mount here, I've got 2 screws. Got a little magnetic tray I'm going to put all my screws in, small parts. Nothing gets lost. Out of the way. Move the gas piston lever right here. Pick up on the lever. Gas piston come out. If it's the first time to disassemble one, you can lightly put this in a vise. Don't put a lot of pressure on it because you don't want to bend it and crush it. But this should be loose enough I can just hold it by my hand. Just turn this completely around. The wood cover will come right off. Remove the bottom cover. Right in here there's a little pin. Just lift up on that pin. Slide it forward. It will drop right out. Next we're going to remove the stock. On top of it here there's 2 screws. Right in here there's a round hole in the receiver. It's a small gap there. You can put a screwdriver in. Stick the screwdriver in. Pry back on that stalk and it will push out. First time you do that, you might have to take a rubber mallet, smack the stalk a couple times just to loosen it up. We have it, the disassembled AK-47. Dust on the barrel there. Yeah, still got that butt plate take off there. Let's do that. Two screws on the end of that. That's where the original cleaning kit went in there. I don't have one of those. Don't have a cleaning kit or the cleaning rod. I don't have either one of those for this or the bayonet. I'm gonna have to get the 3 pieces. If y'all can see that or not, but so this is just really rough. When I get done with it, it's going to be nice. It's going to be smooth. Be a good looking stock. Set all these parts off to the side somewhere. There we have it, the stock, lower cover, upper gas piston cover. So I don't know if that's the correct names for those, that's what I'm calling them. I'm not a professional, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. Put this piece of aluminum flashing down on my table just so I don't get all this gunk all over the table. Make sure we get this shook up good. Probably wearing gloves to do this. Really don't know if I needed that stripper or not. I don't even know if that's got a finish on it. It might just be an oil Just have to wait and see. Like I said, it's really dull, really rough finish. I'm going to give a good heavy coat of this. Be on the safe side. See how long we gotta let this sit. Many different languages on it. Well, 5 to 10 minutes to work. Bubbling up there. Anyway, I've got some steel wool. Let that soak for 10 minutes. And I'll take and rub it down with steel wool and see what she looks like. Anyway, I'm not going to make you all sit here and wait 10 minutes, so let's just call this first video of the series, and I'll let this soak a little while, and I'll come back with another one. Y'all know the routine: like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.